Got one of my new swarms here. Only got I didn't have another lid for it, so I got me one today. These other ones are doing really good. Yeah, it's only a little wee swarm. Only what? Maybe 3 frames. Think I might give these girls some sugar or give them something to help them out so they can grow faster. They're all trying to fill the frames. Boy, this was really small group. So yeah, I'm gonna put the new top on, and then boy, this road's busy. Give them a feeder to help them out a little bit, so they don't have to struggle as much. All right. Yeah, little wee. It is warm right there. You can really feel them. All right, just a quick update. I got all my hives full. That one down the end, I think is about ready for another box. This one's getting close to another box. Well, since I'm rolling the camera here, I might as well do it. I need to put a strap on these. Oh yeah, they're doing good. They're about ready for another box. I have to fully open it up to see exactly what's going on, but all right, y'all. Just a quick update. Have a blessed weekend.